brands running kimono. This is a midweek deal that I think you should be doing, especially if you are a Walgreens shopper. So this unicorn coupon appeared yesterday. Now I saw Dawn's Deals and a couple people on social media, too many to mention, do this deal or talk about this deal. And I think you should be doing it as well. So I did not have this coupon, and that's why I didn't make the video yesterday, because I couldn't show you anything. But guess what? Last night around 9 o'clock, I searched for the Bounty paper towel in the Walgreens app, and I looked it up. See that one top right-hand corner for $10.99? I searched it, I looked it up, and then I pressed the photo of it, and then below it, this $8 coupon popped up, and I loaded it right away. Now, it says Charmin or Bounty. However, the Charmin paper, the toilet paper, is the $13.99 one it's attaching to, not the one priced at $10.99. So you will have to grab 2 paper towels for this, so 2 of the Bounties. And if you're anything like me, I'm always cleaning up messes, especially with a bunch of cats in the house. But this is one thing we do go through a lot. So for this deal, we're grabbing 2 of the Bounties. I still think it's an absolute killer deal. And here's why. This week, the promotion at Walgreens for this specific product is to buy 2 for $10.99 and get back a $6 register reward. Wow. So you're going to have to do this one in store. Do not do a curbside deal for this one. Now, if you still might have this guy, because on one store account, I didn't even finish my deal, so I still have one of these. So we're going to look at it 2 different ways, using the booster and not using the booster, because I know everybody doesn't have the same booster. And I would definitely search for that coupon. Just type in Bounty and then see if it pops for you. Click on the product and see if you can find it. Okay, so in store again, we're grabbing 2 of those Bounty paper towels for $21.98. We have our booster loaded, which is 5 back when you spend $20, plus the 8 off of 2 digital. I have it loaded. So at the till, I'm going to pay $13.98 with my debit card, as I'm using a spend booster. Thus, I'm using my debit card, or use bills, cash bills, your credit card or debit card. And then I'm getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, as I'm going to get my booster, plus a $6 register reward, making it $2.98 for the 2, or $1.49 per big mama of paper towel. Wow. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance with this booster, or it will mess everything up. $1.49, guys. OMG, that's a no-brainer right there. Now, let's say you do not have the booster. You'll have to go in store again for this one, because we're working with a register reward. So grabbing 2 of those Bounties for $21.98, subtracting the 8 off of 2 digital. I would also throw in $10 of Walgreens cash. We are not using a booster, thus that's totally fine. You'll pay $3.98 and then get back a $6 register reward, making this deal super, super smart. I would move on this one ASAP. How fantastic is this? Okay, guys, so before I take off, I also want to mention this, because this is a coupon that I found yesterday afternoon, too, while I was doing my great paper search. It's a 4 off of 2 for these puffs, and it's for the multi-packs, which are a bit more. And if you know anything about puffs, you're either like loyal to this, or you just don't care what you're using, like for your facial tissue or Kleenex. I use whatever's the cheapest, but like some people swear by this. So if you know the value of this, this might be a deal pour vous, because a lot of you will say $7.49 for facial tissue. No, but load this coupon at the very least. We don't have a deal for it this week, but here's a deal for you if you want to use some Walgreens cash. So definitely load your coupon, which is a 4 off of 2, which is very generous. And you can do this deal either in store or online. You choose if you want to do a curbside or if you want to do it in store. It's an either or, so you make the decision. But in store, are these puffs $8.99? I don't know, because it's so expensive. I don't really hang out in that aisle, but for curbside, it's $7.49. So for 2 of them, that's $14.98. Subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash and pay 98 cents. So if puffs is your thing, this might be a deal pour vous. If you can't part with $10 of Walgreens cash and you think this is an awful deal, then don't do it. The Bounty deal, if you are an avid paper towel user, I would pounce on that right away. What a great deal it is. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.